Okay, back at Harry's Motors. There was a supermarket kind of over here when I was last in Japan. It's gone. So today's plan, clean up all the dust cloths and stuff off the car, get it really masked up, ready to put the final gluing in, and just get the car clean. Nice little project. So, starting off, right into it. Okay, so let's clear off the car day and get this all tidy. Just take everything out. Okay. It's always good to make a change and go back to a new plan. Basically, I'm not going to go with the spray-on cement. I'm going old school. Everything I'm reading about what I should be doing, I'm going to change. Remark, reset, and do it from scratch. Quite looking forward to it. And I know you'll see me walking around in a McGregor t-shirt, beginning to think that McGregor Motorsport New Zealand has a subsidiary branch in Japan. Actually they do. It's here now. The old $1 shops certainly have products that are worth more than $1. This gunk glue remover. Just getting some of this old glue that I couldn't get off before, and I don't want to scrape and take paint off. So, for $1, seal peeling spray. It's not food. It's not spray. That's like cool. As they say, cooking with jam. Let's cover up my seats down there. And here, this was a bit of a mystery too. So what I'm going to do is wow, that seems good over there now. Try and get in and remove it all. But this looks pretty damn good. I'm happy to try and do a major section of gluing in one hit. Yeah. Just to push that on there and spread the glue. Just spread the glue along there. Yeah. Good glue spreaders. The other way. You watched a few videos on the glue guys last night, and basic thing is less is more. You know, a thin bead, spread, thin bead, spread. You can put an extra, a little thin bead after it's set, but apparently as soon as you touch it, it is just attached. So I'll do two. Hey! Yep, it's Japan branch of McGregor Motorsport New Zealand. Okay, check the other side. Yeah, as I said, Harry's selling that little car. He does great deals for people. And I've I've known him since, 2006. Yeah, when I first got this little car. Just my last panic check, and then it's me and the glue. Here to here in one stop. That's the 200, so it gives me a glue point. Glue here to 400, and then I think I'll just go the whole curve in one go right around to that. Both sides now. So, glue time. Get my masking tape out of there. That's it. And then get this. And spread this. Talk about stress. Not too bad. Just keep this away. Yep. Gregor Motorsport live from Japan. Doing well. Seal's a seal. So, I'm on to the second side over here. Actually, no stress. Feel like having a bloody beer. Yeah. So, need to take this tape. This tape can come off. Well, I'm on to the second side. That was my mate and his Porsche leaving. Stops a bit dodge here, but it's on the final round. Come around here, looks it's okay. The last glue is just in here. Still bloody tricky, but not too bad. So, using my trusty stick, got a new one here. Cut this one out here. And first blow is the deepest. Try new. Okay. Let's go around the corner. To there. Oh, I think that's the last piece. Yeah. Yes. This comes on. Well, giving it my best shot. Bloody hell, bit of a stress out. It's kind of done. Bit of a cheat on the yellow goop that comes over marker pen, because it's black and it's kind of hides the blemishes. The polish will get rid of this. But basically, it's on. Big one now is over here, which is going to be contact cement, I think. And I need to do that in a couple of goes. So just going to check it and I'll do it. Hey.
Hey.
Just working in the garage.
What are you thinking of?
Well, I've done it. All new seals on the sunroof. And there's the sunroof over the back here. All new seals around this. This is the wind thing. I'm just waiting for 2 parts for that. Yeah, bit of a bitch though to do. I've got to get in here and just fix that up over there, which I'm working on now, but this stuff was just dynamite to put on. It was just like total stress the whole way. The poor car's looking pretty dirty, but I got my toolkit here. Yeah, so it's pretty cool actually. It's pretty simple once I got into it, because I put a new motor in about 8 years ago. A whole new motor, all these guides in, so the sunroof worked really well, but then the seal stopped and it started to leak. So now I've found holes here that are drain pipes, so I'll get some weedy, that stuff you're using in the weedy cutting the grass. I'll push that right down and it should come out down the bottom here, and I'll pour some water until we get it done. But yeah, otherwise it's good. The beach is all done.